guys, we're going to be making a mango salsa today. A pretty simple recipe with my twists on it. So for our ingredients, I have here mango. I have the Haden mango, 2 large Haden mangoes. I also have 2 small honey or Mexican mangoes. I also have Serrano peppers. This is one of my twists on it. Adds a mix of different. So red onions as well. And another trick of mine is using sweet red bell peppers. I also have lime and some cilantro. Alright, let's start preparing our ingredients. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and peel your mangoes using a knife or peeler. Cut the flesh out of the seed and cut them up in chunks just like this. You want them to be small chunks though. Make sure they're not too big. And it comes out to be about 3 cups. I use 2 Haden and 2 small honey mangoes. Now go ahead and peel and chop your red onions, about half of a small red onion, about a 1/4 cup. Do the same with your red sweet bell peppers. Deseed them and chop them up finely. Now we're going to also do the same with serrano peppers. It's pretty spicy, so take out the seeds and just do the same. And now we're going to chop our cilantro. Came out to be about a 1/4 cup of cilantro. You can use more or less. And now we just build all those flavors together. Add your red bell peppers, add your onions, add your cilantro, add your serrano peppers, and then we're going to season with some salt and garlic powder. We're also going to add some lime juice. That's what combines all those delicious flavors together. I used about 1 lime. If your lime is not juicy enough, use 2. And just combine all of those beautiful ingredients together. It's so pretty, but most importantly, it's so delicious and refreshing. It's a great salsa for the summer. It's sweet, tangy, and nutritious all at the same time. So go ahead and make yourself some salsa today, guys. It is easy to make and with just few ingredients. Eat it with some healthy chips of your choice. Put it on your tacos, on your salad, on some seafood, or just eat it just by itself. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it out and let me know what you think. And until next time, it's your girl Sholz. Bye!